It's an absolutely beautiful day outside for a beautiful Saturday. And it's not even hot today. It's a bonus. Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Saturday. Saturday is here. It is a beautiful day outside. It is not hot, well, yet. It's kind of cool, actually, which is kind of nice. Really, I'm already in the car. I'm on my way to go get a haircut. That's why I'm just wearing a black shirt. No need to wear anything fancy or comfortable, because as soon as I get my haircut, I'll have to come home and wash my hair anyway. Get all the hair out of my hair. That was a weird expression. Anyway, so I am going to get myself on my way to the salon. So let's get this day started, shall we? All right, so it's official. I have gotten a haircut and a bleaching. So it's time to go inside, take a quick shower, and maybe take care of going blue again? Well, it's official. The teal hair, it's back. You like? It's not fixed, it's a mess right now because I just finished washing it. And the lawn guy's here, so that's a bonus because it needed it. Headed into the craft store to pick up some beads and beading supplies to work on some new ideas. And it's starting to get warm in the sun, right? Oh well, inside. After our quick stop at the hobby store for some bead and beading supplies, time to go to Office Max to pick up shipping supplies to mail the drone to get that back to where it belongs so it can be repaired. Get in the car. You want to get in the car?
Don't you make me come get the key?
You know what you got to do to get in the car.
Don't you make me come get the key?
You got to dance to get in the car. Come on, be a good sport. Hey, you go work it out. Okay. So stopped at Sonic for a snack and some slush, and he's playing with his food. He has stretched out this mozzarella stick just about as far as it'll go. Can you go farther? Come on. Go farther. Come on. Oh. I wanted to give you the first-hand experience of what it's like to do this. Oh. I came seeking fall candles, and instead they didn't have any. So we walked through the spooky dead mall. It's scary in here. I feel like there's dead people. I've never in my life seen a zucchini this big. Look how big it is. I mean, I can't even get it all in frame. Holy cow. Wow. Tonight for dinner, we're trying something new in a new place. I think I'm going to have K5. Alright, well that's the end of the day. Really pretty much just did a little bit of traveling, kind of seeing some things, eating some cool foods, and going some neat places. Wrapped it up by spending the evening on the couch watching some television. So I'm tired now. It's almost 1 o'clock in the morning, so I'm gonna go ahead and get in bed. I'll see you guys tomorrow.